It is no doubt that, since last week, messages have been flooding WhatsApp and other social medias, not leaving out a memorandum from different teachers' trade unions in Cameroon, alerting the Cameroon population and the government about the grievances of teachers. The message says teachers in the northern southwest regions will carry out a sit-down strike as from the 21st of November 2016. According to some teachers, the reason for these indefinite sit-down strike actions are to consolidate the values of the Anglophone teachers, uncomfortable working conditions, and more.
Anglophone teachers believe that the Anglo-Saxon system has been nipped in the bud by the Buea regime, and it is time that Anglophones stand up and fight for what belongs to them. If you look at the situation in universities, you will discover that the Anglo-Saxon system of education in university has been hijacked by the Francophone system.
All teachers of the North and Southwest were to go on a sit-down strike today. In fact, there are a handful of things what trade unions have tabled, looking forward for those things to be rectified. In fact, as a teacher, we too should feel fine. And if there are a lot of things that, as a teacher, you don't have them, and then there is a call that we should maybe, sit down and see what our government is going to do as far as those things are concerned.
This morning, some school gates and doors are closed for the pupils and students who have been seen on school campuses. They are asked to go home by the few teachers who came to inform them about the strike. Others waited, and when no teacher came to class, they left the campuses.
Just stranded, and our French teacher even came there to talk to us. He said that others are not teaching, so he cannot teach because he's going to be as a betrayer. Nobody has asked us to go home, but there is no teacher, so that's why. And even if they meet a teacher in class, they'll tell the teacher not to teach. So that's why all the students want to go home, because we cannot stay like that.
On this 21st day of November 2016, the government has given a deaf ear to the problems of teachers.